Learn 500 sentences made by Khan Azra Abdul Rauf. School name Sanjay Nagar Municipal School number 2. From this teaching aid, student can learn and read 500 sentences. इसके दो पार्ट किए गए हैं. This is a, that is a. This is my, that is your. This is his, this is her. That is my, that is your. That is his, that is her. इस तरफ पूरे नाउन्स लिखे गए हैं, इनको जोड़कर पढ़ना है. दिस इज अ मोबाइल, दिस इज अ मैट, दिस इज अ रैबिट, दैट इज अ पेंसिल, दैट इज अ पेन. दिस इज माई डॉल, दिस इज माई ड्रेस, दिस इज माई ग्लास. That is your hat, that is your house. That is your book. This is his book, this is his bag. This is her ball. This is her cat, this is her hand. This is her notebook. That is my notebook, that is my orange. That is my purse. That is your compass, that is your scale. That is your tiffin. That is his shoe, that is his friend. That is her file, that is her guava. That is her parrot, that is her mat. इस तरह इस टीचिंग एड्स के ज़रिए स्टूडेंट इजीली 500 सेंटेंसेस रीड एंड लर्न कर पाएंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.